Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making lavosh. For the ingredients you'll need 250 grams of plain flour, 30 grams of butter, 1 egg, 150 ml of milk, 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of caster sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Start by mixing the flour, sugar, sesame seeds and salt together. Add the butter and begin to rub the mixture together until you get a crumb-like consistency. Using a wooden spoon, mix the milk into the mixture until it all comes together. Knead the dough on a lightly floured surface. You may need to add more flour if the dough is still sticky. After kneading, place in a lightly oiled bowl and allow to rest for at least an hour. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the dough is rested, cut the dough into quarters and roll until very thin. Cut the dough and transfer it to a greased baking tray. In a small bowl, whisk the egg and brush over the dough and sprinkle with salt. Give the lavosh crackers 5 minutes to air dry before placing in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden. Transfer the crackers to a wire rack and allow to cool.